Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Zane.
And I'm Phil again.
Yep, we're here with Drone Labs. We are actually in the middle of downtown Austin at this point. We're in a purely urban area. What we're going to demonstrate today is how our drone detector works in an urban environment. So we're going to do a couple of different field tests, see what we wind up with, and we'll record one or more of those to make sure that we demonstrate distance and detection at a distance in an urban environment. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in just a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just doing a short test run here. Basically, we're just across the parking lot from where we have the drone detector. I'll zoom in on Phil real quick so you can see him. And hopefully we've got Phil in the image there. There he is. Yep, excellent. Hi, Phil. All right, so we're going to do a quick drone detection. I'll go ahead and move the camera. Looks like we've already detected it, so I'm gonna start moving the camera here. We're going to take it over. We're going to look at the detection. Basically, we're literally just running this out of the, very much like we've done every other time, out of the back of the car here. It's convenient because we can have power and everything. So, and when you're doing live demos, kind of hard to fake it when you're running out of the back of a car. So there it is. You can see it's detecting it, and in fact, has already acquired the GPS as well. Just zooming in on it, and we are in good shape. But the next test will be at distance down the street in this urban area. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are at about 75 meters downtown Austin. Phil is down in the parking lot down below us. I'm going to zoom in on Phil. There he is. Phil, give us a wave if you would, please. All right, excellent. So now we're going to do a quick test. Go ahead and turn it on if you would, please, Phil. Let me know when it's on. Okay, he's turned it on. Looks like he has. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. Usually it's been detecting it already. Let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera. It hasn't detected it quite yet. Probably will here in just a moment. So we're going to go ahead and just zoom in on the, and there it is. Nope, not quite yet. I got a little ahead of myself. So there it is. Now it's detected it. You can see it has, in fact, made the detection. Here we are, downtown urban environment. And not only has it made the detection, but it's already captured the GPS as well. So we're in real good shape there. Phil, go ahead and turn it off if you would, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Phil is going to go a little further. We'll give the distance, and then we'll do another detection at that point. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at 200 meters. Phil has gone 200 meters. I'm zoomed in on him. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out now and show you what 200 meters looks like. Just gonna come back here. Phil, go ahead and turn on the drone. I'm gonna flip around here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the screen, make sure we get a good solid detection. There it is. You can see it's green right now. He has turned it on. It may take a minute or two. We'll give it a sec here. And again, the delay when we do these demos a lot of times is because the drone has to boot up, because we turn it off and then turn it on, and it has to kind of boot up. If the drone were already on, of course, the detection would be almost instantaneous. But since it takes a second to boot up, and there it is, it's already detected it, so we're in good shape. You can tell it's captured the information there, and it's captured the GPS info. We've got a detected full-on good detection going on. So now we're at that's a 200-meter detection in a fully urban environment. We're doing pretty good here. We're pretty pleased with that. Obviously, you can see the GPS information is changing just a little bit because obviously it shifts even if you're standing still. But we're there, and we've got the scan on, and we're going to try a little further in just a moment. Okay, we are at 300 meters now. We've pretty much gone almost as far as we can go, still get some level of visibility. So we're at 300 meters. Phil, go ahead and turn on the drone if you would, please. And let me show folks what 300 meters looks like. There it is. Okay, zooming out. So I'm at the top of a parking lot here, and Phil's way the heck out there. I'm going to move the camera around now. We're going to get that good detection going on here in just a second. Oh, it's already, nope, not quite. I got a little ahead of myself. The glare makes me think it's already turned, there it is, it already turned red just now, so while I was talking. So there it is, folks. It's already done the detection. You can see now that we've detected. You can also hear the fire truck Just one of the hazards is doing a live shot. Clearly we haven't edited this thing. You can hear all the ambient noises around us. So great, we've got a detection at 300 meters in an urban environment. We are now at about what we estimate to be about 450 meters. Phil is on an adjacent parking garage to simulate flight, so our unit being on one building, the drone flying around up in the air, which is the normal mode. We did it on the ground before just to show we can detect on the ground. Now we're actually doing an up in the air scenario at distance. Phil, go ahead and turn it on if you would please. I'm going to zoom out so folks can see just how far away you are. And you can see he is pretty darn far away from our location. So about 450 meters, maybe even 500, but we're calling it 450 just to be safe. I'm now going to go to the drone detector. You can see it is green. Looks like then it just went red right when we got on it. Perfect. Good timing. So it just now went red. So here we have, in a fully urban environment, we have a 450, possibly 500 meter detection. It's got it. It has definitely obtained it. You saw it go from green to red. You saw Phil do the wave. We're in pretty good shape here. We're pretty proud of our product. Hopefully, as a prospective customer, distributor partner, you're going to be proud of it as well. We've got a really amazing thing going on here, right in the middle of downtown Austin. Thank you very much for giving us your time, and we hope you enjoy your drone detector.